Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pinutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving volume of a rectangular pyramid. Okay, so yung volume of rectangular pyramid, so we will use this formula. Volume equals 1/3 times base times height. Ito yung length times width. Ito yung base area. Okay? Then times height. Pangalawa, volume is equal to 1/3 times length times width times height. Or volume equals length times width times height over 3. Okay? So, let's proceed to example number 1. A rectangular pyramid whose base area is 120 feet square and the height of 9 feet. So, find the volume of the pyramid. So, solution tayo. So, of course, we will use this formula. Volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times base times height. So, i-substitute natin yung value ng base, which is 120. Then, yung height is 9. Okay? So, volume equals 1/3 times, so 120 times 9, that is 1,080. Then, i-multiply natin sa 1, that is 1,080. Then, i-divide natin by 3. So, that is 360 feet cube. Okay? The volume of the rectangular pyramid is 360 feet cube. Next, number 2. Find the volume of the rectangular pyramid if its base length is 10 meters and its base width is 6 meters and its height is 14 meters. Okay? Tingnan natin yung figure. So, yung length is 10, width is 6, then the height is 14. Solution. So, we will use the formula volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times length times width times height. So, i-substitute natin yung value ng length, value ng width, at saka value ng height. So, volume equals 1/3 times 10 times 6. Yung length is 10, width is 6, then yung height is 14. Then, multiply natin yan. 10 times 6 times 14 is 840. Multiply sa 1. Then, divide by 3. So, that is 280 meter cube. So, therefore, the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 280 meter cube. Okay, cube pala yan. Next, number 3. A rectangular pyramid has a base length of 10 feet and a width of 7 feet. The height is approximately 9.5 feet. So, estimate the volume of the pyramid. Okay, solution. I-substitute natin yung formula natin. So, volume is equal to 1/3 times length times height. Yung length natin is 10 feet. Width is 7. Height is 9.5. Ayan. Multiply natin yan. 10 times 7 times 9.5. That is 665. Multiply sa 1. So, 665 divide by 3. So, that is 221.67 feet cube. Okay? Yun ang volume ng rectangular pyramid. Next, number 4. The volume of a rectangular pyramid is 300 meter cube and the base area is 50 meters squared. Find the height of the pyramid. So, given natin is yung volume is 300 meter cube, yung base area is 50 meters squared kasi ito yung length multiply sa width. Kaya nagiging 50 meters squared yan. Solution. So, ang hanapin natin dito is height. Okay? So, we will use this formula. Volume equals 1/3 times base times height. So, ang volume is given, which is 300, then 1/3, then yung value ng base is 50, then height, iyan ang hanapin natin. Then 300 equals 1 times 50 is 50, divide by 3 times height. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, we have to multiply both sides by 3. Okay? Pwede po, i-divide natin 50 divided by 3. That is 16.67. Okay? Then, i-divide natin both sides by 16.67 para maiwan si height. Ayan. So, answer is 17.9964. Then, i-round up natin. So, that's estimation or estimate natin sa 18. Okay, approximately, that is 18 meter. Or you can use this one, 300 equals 50 over 3 times height. Multiply natin both sides. Di ba? Yung sinabi ko kanina. So, kung hindi mo siya i-divide 50 divided by 3, pwede mo siya i-multiply both sides. So, 300 times 3, then yung 50 divided by 3 times 3, cancel natin yan. So, naiwan yan 50. So, 300 times 3, that is 900, equals 50. Then, i-divide natin both sides by 50. Okay, so, the answer is 18. The same answer. Next. Okay, yun ang activity natin. So, hanggang dito na lang yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At pag-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review.